5:30 in the evening, out on a sunset run in what is a very special and the last ever R8 tunnel, with one of them, the naturally aspirated V10. This is one of 333 Audi R8 GTs, and the next R8 is going to be fully electric. So I thought, to see it off properly, I should take it up the Susten Pass for a sunset run. As you can see ahead, beautiful light coming down across the mountain. What an evening! Wow. The R8 GT is rear-wheel drive only, 620 horsepower. Another tunnel, be rude not to. We are going to miss that V10, yeah. The R8 for me is a legendary car. When I first watched Jeremy Clarkson review the R8 on the old Top Gear episode 15 years ago, makes me feel really old. I just thought, wow, what a car. And it is today still the most daily usable supercar. Does it take away some of the fun because it's so daily usable? Yes, definitely. But I just appreciate the R8 for what it is. A V10 is a V10. It will always be amazing, and the sound will always be just spectacular. Try and get past this Italian car. The first time I've seen an Italian person driving slowly. So the GT does have quite a crazy aero kit going on. I think it looks fantastic. But what I do really like on this GT model is the gearbox. So it's got a new gearbox, a bit faster on the gear changes, and shorter gear ratio. Thank you, Audi. More car brands need to start doing this for fast cars on the road. Otherwise you just don't get to enjoy changing the gear often. Wow, look at that view. What a view of the Susten Pass coming up what I call the backside this evening. So shorter gear ratios, it seemed the right thing to do to bring it to the Susten Pass. It's weird feeling the back end dancing around a bit because I'm just not used to that in an Audi. Normally, you know, the understeering. What a sound. What an evening. Even going down is still fun on the Susten Pass. Big sweeping corners. Lots of cars up here this evening. Look at that light. Oh, what an evening. To get home, I actually have to go back the other way. That's the fastest way for me to get back to Zurich. What a shame. That means I've got to drive back up this mountain pass. Better go and do it then. Just fantastic. Weirdly enough, I do feel a little bit too tall for this car. It's quite a big car. But, oh, GT3, GT3, GT3. That was actually 3 generations then of GT3, 992, 991, and then it was a 997. Very, very nice. Very cool colours. Anyway, don't get distracted by Porsches. I'm in a V10, and that's what I'm going to enjoy. But time to head home now. A very nice final run in the last Audi R8 with a V10 ever made. But thanks for watching this evening's sunset drive in the R8 GT. I'm now going to enjoy this last bit of road on my way back home to Zurich. So for me, it is ciao for now.